Ella, come here. They will come in. Ella, don't. Ella, I said don't open the door. Come here. Just wake them. Ella, slowly.
Go.
So happy?
I beg your pardon. Go bang on the
Good morning, guys. So, dito kami ngayon sa bahay. Oops. Dito kami ngayon sa bahay. Di kami makalabas kasi bawal daw lumabas. Lalabas lang kami para mag-grocery. Kaya medyo bored kami. Medyo bored din yung mga bata. Naglalaro na lang sila. Oh, luluto na ako ng lunch kasi medyo late na kami nagising. And then, gumagawa ko ng coffee dito. Sinisipon ako ngayon kasi yung weather dito mainit tapos malamig. Kaya, yun.
I found it. Listen to this one.
So, this is what happening. Our dog also bored. They cannot go out, so they just stay here, sleep. Hello, Rocky. Are you okay? You need to have a shower. You too. Come on, you lie down. You rest, huh? Good boys. So we will see what Alicia and Ella doing. We will check it out.
And I just hit that. Oh my god!
What's this? What's happening here? Huh?
I'm bored. I'm playing with Ella.
Do your TikTok. Yes, baby. What's that?
Say no further. Ouch!
Excuse me. Good,
me.
nice. Yep. How old are you, Alicia? Are you still playing baby doll?
No. But Ella.
Baby. Oh, what's this? So cute.
Ella put the babies on it. She said, do it!
Do it. Hello. Where are you going? Why are you wearing your shoes?
She had alcohol.
Okay, I'll call you after the food. I mean, after I cook. So here, this is my beef stew. Wait. This is my beef stew that I'm cooking. I'm not sure if this is the right beef stew, I know, but still, I don't know what to cook, so I just cook my own version of beef stew. I hope they like it. You bored? Huh? What's that?
Oh
What's that? What's happening?
Teach him how to make popcorn.
Okay, we will see Alicia how she cooked by herself a popcorn for the first time.
No. What?
Remember
Remember anything?
the fire. I don't know.
I done it right?
I don't know. We will witness how Alicia cooks the popcorn. Oh my God, oh Lord.
No.
What if you stayed by yourself here? How you will cook your food?
It's not turning on.
Do it again. A few moments later.
Also making hot chocolate.
Oh, is that hot choco? Show me. Okay. And then.
Do I open it?
Oh my God.
Do I open it? Popcorn.
You need to turn on the coffee machine first.
Oh.
First one. First button. First button. Yeah, press it hard. Hard. Wala pop out.
Is that it?
Then you need to wait until it stop blinking.
Yeah, it stopped.
And then close the cover first. And then press it again to clean.
That one?
Rinse it, yeah. Oh my God, are you serious?
Oh, popcorn.
Careful, your popcorn baby is burned already. Oh my goodness. No fire.
There you go. Just keep it light because I like hot popcorn. Okay, it's done.
And then put the chocolate thing. Don't worry,
Where's that
there's no bomb. Wrong.
What?
Wrong. This. You need to turn off this.
The up.
Because you will burn the popcorn. You cannot eat that inside.
Okay.
Ah, did you put it?
No, I didn't.
Okay, get the popcorn first before it burns. Get your plate. First, plate.
Wait.
Come on, plate first.
Wait.
Where is it? Here. This one. It's this one. That's okay. No, you can put it here. It's okay. Then it's not hard for you. Come on, because you will burn the popcorn. See, you burn it already.
Good.
What good? It's not
Oh,
good.
it's stuck in here.
That's it. Cannot eat the burn part.
You can.
No, it's not good. that cause cancer. Okay, and then what's the next?
Do we have to take the bone ones out?
That's fine as long as it's not that burn.
So I can eat that?
Can leave it. It's okay.
The next one, you want? It's like
Leave it. Put butter first so that the butter will melt fast. So that if you have a boyfriend and he loves popcorn, you can cook always popcorn every day. Lunch, dinner, breakfast, popcorn. It's fine. You can put salt now if you want. Not too much. So as
bit more?
yeah, so as not too much salt. Oh wait. Hot choco, you need a milk.
Oh yeah.
You need a mug, cup, out. Then put milk half, or it's up to you how much you want. Not too much milk because you will not taste the choco anymore.
That.
Yeah, and then slowly 30 minutes. 3 minutes.
2 hours.
Put. No. I teach you how to do it.
Not made it.
No, I just showed you how, like this.
Oh. And that.
No, push it. Then you need to put this out
Guys,
and close it.
we're not the gym. Now,
Close. Cannot close it? It's finished. Then, can you clean it, please? Oh, very good girl. Okay. Oh my God. You're ready to have a boyfriend. So guys, kakauwi lang ng mga bata. Sila James and Alicia. And then, babalik na naman sila. Maybe, hindi itong weekend na to sa susunod. So, until next time ulit. Kasi si Ella maliligo na. Say bye, baby.
Okay. See you later.
Say bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
Okay.
I'm going to have a shower now. Huh?
Shower.
Yes. You want to say something?
Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream.